By using this conversation as a tool for practice, you can develop various aspects of your English speaking skills, making you more confident and proficient in real-life interactions. Emily, hey, do you have any plans for the weekend? Sophie, not yet. Why, do you have something in mind? Emily, I was thinking about going to the cinema. There's a new movie out that looks really interesting. Do you want to join? Sophie, that sounds great. I haven't been to the cinema in ages. Which movie are you thinking about? Emily, it's called The Adventure Begins. It's an action-adventure film, and the reviews have been fantastic. Sophie, I've heard about that one. People are saying it's a must-watch. When were you planning to go? Emily, there's a 7 p.m. show on Saturday. Does that work for you? Sophie, yes, 7 p.m. is perfect. Should we meet at the cinema? Emily, how about meeting there at 6:30 p.m.? That way, we can get tickets and snacks without rushing. Sophie, good idea. Do you usually get your tickets online or at the cinema? Emily, I usually buy them at the cinema, but getting them online might be faster. What do you think? Sophie, let's get them online to avoid any hassle. What kind of snacks do you like? Emily, I'm a big fan of popcorn, especially with extra butter. What about you? Sophie, I like popcorn too, but I also enjoy nachos with cheese. Maybe we can get both and share. Emily, that sounds like a plan. Do you want to get drinks too? Sophie, sure, I'll probably get a soda. What about you? Emily, a soda sounds good. Do you enjoy watching the trailers before the movie starts? Sophie, absolutely. Watching trailers is one of my favorite parts. It's always fun to see what new movies are coming out. Emily, same here. It really adds to the whole cinema experience. Are you interested in grabbing dinner before the movie, or just sticking to snacks? Sophie, I think I'll just stick to snacks this time. But if you are hungry, we can grab a quick bite nearby. Emily, snacks work for me. We can always have dinner after the movie if we get hungry. By the way, do you know how long the movie is? Sophie, I checked online, and it's about 2 hours long. So, we should be done by around 9 p.m. Emily, perfect. That gives us plenty of time to chat about the movie afterward. Are you driving, or should we carpool? Sophie, I can drive. Do you need a ride? Emily, that would be great, thanks. I'll be ready by 6 p.m. Sophie, awesome. I'll pick you up at 6 p.m. then. I'm looking forward to it. Emily, me too. It's going to be a lot of fun. See you on Saturday. Sophie, see you then.